It is Monday, November 1st, and it seemed like October was never going to end. But it has, and today is the first day of a new month, and right now it is 9:20 a.m. Central Time, and I am headed downtown to the medical center, to the VA, to get a follow-up of the CAT scan I did on that Sunday last month, early in the month. I don't know why they can't just call me on the phone and give me the results. They got to look at my good-looking, happy face, I guess. But that's all right, because my doctor down at the ear, nose, and throat section where I'm headed, he's a comical guy. I mean, he's really funny. He reminds me so much of the guy that used to be on Hollywood Squares. Oh shoot, what was his name? Oh, I can't think of his name. But I'll have it in the video. I'll put it on the video. He was also on Bewitched a lot of times too. But anyway, I hope y'all had a good weekend. My weekend was, it was okay, I guess, kind of boring. I was kind of dissatisfied with the sports section of the weekend. My Oilers, it might as well be the Oilers. My Houston Texans got smashed again for the 7th time in a row. I don't even remember what the score was, but it was by 11 points, I think it was, something like that. So then I started watching the Tom Brady with the Buccaneers, and I can't believe they lost. Oh man. Anyway, so then after I got through watching that game, then I went to watching the Houston Astros. You know, they're in the World Series right now, and they lost that one too. Man, bam, 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 3 strikes right in a row. So sports-wise, it was not a good weekend for me as far as I'm concerned. But all in all, overall, it was, I'll give it a 90% good weekend. Like I said, I hope y'all's weekend was a good one. I hope y'all got to do whatever you wanted to do and be where you wanted to be, and the weather was good for you and all that sort of thing. So, not much going on today. Like I said, I'm just headed downtown, and I usually leave a little bit earlier. That way I can have enough time to find parking and still get in the building in time to my appointment, because I always want you there 15 minutes ahead of time. The only thing bad about going to ear, nose, and throat down here in downtown, if your appointment's like, say, at 8 o'clock in the morning, you might see the doctor by 10:30 or 11 o'clock. I mean, they're so overstrapped it ain't even funny. I don't know why they won't put more doctors in that department, but oh well, it is what it is, I guess. But anyway, yeah, let's see what else is going on other than catching this red light. I guess not much else going on, so I'll just go ahead and end this video now and wish y'all a very happy Monday. Stay safe. Remember, I love all of y'all, and be sure and share my channel if you will, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye now.